7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow. Men, Zaida. 1, 2. On the 3, I turn the girl and bring it forward. And at the same time, I go down. 3. And at the same time, I put my hand completely around the girl. Why? Because on the 4, I will do 4. Okay? So again. 1, 2. I turn the girl and I go down. 3. And then I lift her up. 4. For her, it's going to be hard to hold balance up. Very good. So I'm here. And on the 4, I walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 1, again, I bring her forward and I make stop. I stop her from both sides so she doesn't walk. So we are here and I make 1, 2, 3. My hand goes here, tap, 4, and now I push her back, 5. If you want, you can make the styling with the leg. And 5, 6, 7, 8. One time with music. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.